Babyskello wants swell your belly. Every night she calls to bring me celly. A bad man of
I the first look up on YouTube I do this. I first look up on YouTube I do this, dog. I the first look up on YouTube I do this. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back with another video for you guys. Right now we have a song called Gallis by Babyskello from Guyana, I think. You understand me? I missed the name, but I drop 1 and 2 time under some videos. You understand? I never check it out until I think I did Mafia. What a song name of by Mafia I did last week. Best FUKKK. You understand me? And you see somebody comment now and I say, yo, why nobody not recommend this? Someone that this chat replies them, I thought it's not a comedy show. Excellent. Something I give them the reaction out of the blues. You understand me? I don't know what to expect from it. Most somebody says it's a comedy show, so obviously I don't say it must funny. It's most a funny song. Check it. It have 100k views in like 2 months. So I say, alright then. It must. If you don't little funny, you don't know what to expect. So we're going for the video. Enough chattings. Babyskello, Gallis official video. Because everybody comment to see your comment next video. Run tune.
for the summer body lady. For the summer body lady. For the summer body lady. For the summer body. For the summer body lady. 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 Take up every top Gallis, man a Gallis. Me never owe malice. Every girl want come in on me palace. When me smoke me chalice, my brain. For the summer.
Alright then.
For the summer body lady.
For the summer body ladies. For the summer body ladies. Don't to me so better than your dog. Me not even lie to you. Go on.
For the summer body lady. For the summer body lady.
Alright then, yeah.
Take up every top Gallis, man a Gallis.
Yeah.
Me never owe malice. Every girl want come in on me palace. When me smoke me chalice, my brain get a east. Me get girl from north, west, south and east. Babyskello easy if you have east coast girl east.
Pull up. So, me get girl. Follow, come here, I'll sit to you. I go on.
Take up every top Gallis, man a Gallis.
Yeah.
Me never owe malice. Every girl want come in on me palace. When me smoke me chalice.
Every girl want 49 palace when they smoke him chalice. Me not lie, if I'm lying, I'm dying. Go on.
Brain get a east, me get girl from north, west, south and east. Babyskello easy if you have east coast girl. Easy if you have east bank girl. Easy if you have. If your pussy got me, I spend US. One fuck for a Gucci dress. She pussy got that means she positive.
Yeah.
When me squeeze up her breast, she said me worthless. Girl,
Look at it. Honestly, I don't know how to react to this song. I don't know what to expect, yo. But I try to take it serious. I don't want to laugh after nobody. The dog, I do him thing, the dog shot. You did me and say, the man have 100k views and around for the man. But to the man and dance to the girl, you have to right, watch it.
girl, easy if you have. If your pussy got me, I spend US. One fuck, me make your move. Gucci dress. She pussy got that means she positive. When me
Look at that man face, people. But Dog say, or something good that me she want she want the zest. But that me a pre. Well on.
If your pussy got me, I spend US. One fuck for a Gucci dress. She pussy got that means she
I spend US. One knock for a Gucci dress. When I listen to the lyrics I'm put out on the ears.
positive.
No look on him face. Watch him face, you know. Watch him face.
Someone else. She said me worthless.
Some of my ladies. Alright. I don't know more takes from Trinidad. You see, Mr. the Guyanese more takes. You understand? Me, I feel have a gimmicks man everywhere, and trust me. Told me you are the gimmicks man out of Guyana right now. Go on.
Girl, your skin smooth, me make your moon and grown. Me make your moon and grown.
Yeah.
A kiss on your breast, it well form. It don't comfort you. Make up every top Gallis. Man a Gallis and me never own manis. My pants well straight and my clocks well lace. When me touch the street, girl say me smell sweet. And my style look unique. Every freak want follow me up. Add me on WhatsApp 625-6293. Baby.
This man just give out him number to the whole world a while ago. The man just give out him number to the entire world a while ago. The man said when he touch on the beach, him smell sweet and everyone of them want. Yo, run back a little bit, come on, hear what you say good. Go on.
Unique. Every freak want follow me up. Add me on WhatsApp 625-6293.
625-6293. It is our the ladies. We catch your voice. It is our the ladies. It is our the ladies. Alright.
Babyskello want swell your belly. Every night she comes to bring me 5-6-2-9-3. Babyskello want swell your belly. Every night she comes to bring me silly. A bad man of
I the first to come by YouTube and do this. I first will come by YouTube and do this, dog. I first will come by YouTube and do this. Listen to this bad people.
you steady. Night she comes to bring me silly. A bad man of fuck you steady. Babyskello want swell your belly. Every night she comes to bring me silly. A bad man of fuck you steady. When me born me Arizona. Set family, born up a
Yo, we only get them kind of drama here, them kind of joke here. We only get them kind of joke here when you know, if the family with the digital rising star from Jamaica, brother, when them have a tryouts them and people go for audition. This one have an official video.
and you don't know you all up for sugar daddy. Babyskello can't stop. Big up every top Gallis, man a Gallis. Me never owe malice, every girl want come in on me palace. When me smoke my chalice, my brain get a ease. Me get girl from north, west, south and east. Babyskello easy for you. East Coast girl easy for you. East Bank girl.
The man at Japan vibe, 8 people. Babyskello at Japan vibe, 8.
Easy for you. If your pussy got me, I spend US. One fuck for a Gucci dress. She pussy got that means she positive. When me squeeze up her breast, she tell me worthless. Cause your skin smooth, me make your moon and grown. Me make your moon and grown.
Hey. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. You understand me? Yeah, mommy enjoyed it. Mommy not like told me laugh. The longest time I really laugh for dog. Babyskello. In your belly. It is all about the ladies. Every day I wear, but I enjoyed it. Go check out Babyskello, people. Link to the original song going to be down below in the description of this video. Fun and joke aside, you understand me? Go support the artists. You know what I mean? You have to have them kind of artists that make you laugh and think though. And man, every criticism is good criticism, good or bad, it is still good criticism though. So go and go over there. Make your reaction by sending over there. So Babyskello. Boom, finish up about the ladies. Peace out.